Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to start Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a documentation program which is used for documentation, creating magazine, creating newspaper, creating books, creating cards. For these things we use Microsoft Words. Today we are just introducing Microsoft Word for beginner students who are now starting the Microsoft Word. How to open Microsoft Word? We have many. In taskbar also there is symbol of the not window logo key plus R when word, right when word, enter, miss word be open. By 11 types or kinds we can open Microsoft Word. First enough. This is number one is title bar. This is a ribbon. Tabs bar. In every tabs we have ribbon. This one is ribbon. This is tab. This is tab. Design tab, layout tab, preference tab, mailing tab, review tab, view tab, help tab. Like home tab we have complete ribbon. This is home tab ribbon. In every ribbon we have groups. Which groups? Number one is clipboard groups, font group, paragraph groups, style groups. We have many groups. In every group we have commands, paste, cut, copy, and as well format painter. This is an indicator is open extra window like for more information we will discuss. Just we open the Word and we have many templates like new open, and here we have some templates like business cards or education or resume. We have different formats. You can use templates from here as well for your needs, for your necessary. You can use this one as well. Yes, some template for holidays, for business, for education. We have many templates in here. We can select and we can use them, we can edit and we can save them. If you're not, you can go new is new, and new just we have blank document. Use blank document. In blank document, this is for example we are learning we can bring plus was as well. This is a learning shift plus underscore enter or dot enter or not coming as well, hash enter or star enter. We can bring many multiples lines per one. For example, name or job, maybe some enter view questions. Control plus E. You can use in here for like this one heading. Okay, heading 1, heading 2. This is used for titles as well, and subtitles 2, 3, 4. This include one title and another title we use, and for this kind of for table of contents we use headings to make table of contents. And as well for this, after that like R&D example bringing random. This example, this is a document, this is size of documents, small, big, and then it says you want ribbon. This is for copy paste. For example, you format this place, from this place as you can format it, from this place as you can format. You want to copy format, click here and also click here. You will bring up just format, or for not cancelling double click. You can bring anywhere, or cancel skip. As well you can use copy. Copy is copy where you want to copy. I want to copy this paragraph in here, just you can paste. This copy is pasted. And cut is you can cut from this place. Control plus X is shortcut. Copy, Control plus C, cut is Control plus X. Or paste, we have another paste special. You can paste copy text by multiple choices for picture for Control plus Alt plus V copy shortcut for Microsoft Word document, extra document for picture. I copy the text, I paste like picture. Then we have another tabs in this bold and these things. You can format it, the text, and any text you want to format, you can format from this place. Small, big, any formatting. You can give formatting to text. You can change to rectangle, Roman, blah blah. You can size. You can size, but this also size. From uppercase, lowercase, changing to all of uppercase, changing to all of lowercase. You can change. As well, you can and bring also back to the normal. Just this one use for this form, remove formatting. Also give again design. This is point pointer. You point someplace, page color like this color. Again want to remove these things. So back go in here, just place this one. Not removing, again go there in white. Sorry about this one, use for no colors. No color, just black one is this white. Now there is a text but white color. You can change back to the black one. This is font colors. This is paragraph. You can give paragraph like numbering. You can give like 1 dot space, write something, question, tab 4 question, enter, again enter, question number 2, enter, tab A section, enter, B section, C section, D section, enter 3 question. Like this kind of also you can use. As well you can use from this place some things formatting, you can use bold for bullets, these things, and this also you can use tab and tab change this to sub format. As well as ABC can bring 1 2 3, you bring everything you can bring to the paragraph. For example, I bring just to whatever 1, instead of 1 we could use just ABC, A, enter, A section, B, B, tab, use tab button. For making question about this, you can use this one. Also you can use this one for headings, paragraph movement, like R&D equal R&D 1 paragraph, enter. For movement the paragraph we use this one, for box this one, for Pashto the Persian writing, Arabic writing, changing the paragraph. For example, you writing something in Pashto, you can change from here to here. As well you can do these things. It's used for sorting. Sort is some things you can make sort from A to Z, Z to A, sorting is paragraph marks. This all the paragraph styles. Just if you go deeply, inshallah will be defined in more lectures, and I explain the Microsoft Word in 45 lectures. Today I want to just explain for beginners in 1 lecture. In this paragraph, use for paragraph things, giving color to the paragraph or space between the paragraph or some borders to the paragraph. You can do these things, justify the paragraph, right to left the paragraph, and as well these about paragraph. This is indicator of paragraph. You can use as well left, right, some things, and use the indicator. If you want to change something, for always set as default, it will be no change for the next time. This use style per paragraph, headings, some style you can use to the title. The other style you can use as well. This is find something you want to find. Find is find. For example, I want to find a finding. Video want to find. In big page want to find something, you can go to the find. You can find the result. As well you can advanced font is advanced by some option you can find it much case same if you write with low letter pending low writing by capital letters pending capital is find who is the separate words finding use word case you use word case for symbol finding sound like same sound like some words same sound find all words from English like go went gone by English formats. It has some symbol finding prefix suffix finding like before after the words if punctuation character if you use between the words you can find. Replace changing the word one word to another word. For example, video change to audio change. Replace all. It will be C for replacement occur. Changing words. Every place video change to audio. You selecting all you want to select. You want to select object, you want to select similar format object, you cannot select it in some object you insert in here. You want to select object, you can select from here. From here you can select one object. Your object you want to select objects, it will be selected by you. After that we have another insert. You can insert something, you can insert page cover, any kind of cover for books, for something, for magazine. You can use it from here. Use for what? Cover, page cover. This one page cover. This is something. It's another. I want to insert new page, insert blank page, and break the page. And he bring new page. He separate one page to two sections in between. As well, you can break the table. Any kind of table you go on, you can bring. You can insert table, how many rows, how many columns, number of columns 6, number of rows 20. And you can use a table like a name, job, salary, as well you can use bonus. Some things you can use for this one. This is table you can use. Table has big formatting style. Investor you want table, you can give the formatting, you can give the layout, you delete, you remove, you select some things, you bring up down the letters you can do from this place. You want to more and less some things in table, you can bring from this table section. As well we have this table, complete table. You can draw table, you can design, convert text to the table. If you write something, you want a name, job, salary, you want to change this to the table, easy. Come here, convert to the table. Use what? Use 3 tables, tabs used. Okay, enter. Automatically change to the table. As well you can bring from Excel spreadsheet, you can make like calendar, some things, quick table. As well before you template table, mean template before it saved we can use. Also you can bring the picture offline, online in this device. Yes, from this device I want to bring the picture. Some picture you can bring from here or from desktop. Like this is a picture, this is a maybe yes picture. You can use this picture as well. You can make from this side, or you can crop the picture. Crop meaning small is from any side. Again crop it. If not moving the picture, go to position, and as well not position. Wrap text, take the square. You can move the picture anywhere. You can put it. You can change the style from this place and which kind of picture you want. Brightness you want to, style you want, you can do anything by what, remove picture, color the picture, any change you want you can do from this. Complete the picture, easy steps, more easy. Ctrl+A delete. After that we have shape. You can break any kind of shape, like this kind of all of the shape you can change, you can use, you can make something. These are the shapes. You can write on the shapes. All shapes also have more formatting. Text you can change the shapes from another shape. You did this shape, like The shapes formatting also you can change. You can check to 3D, 2D, or more rotation the shape. After that, go again to insert tab. We have shapes, chart. We can make use for chart. Chart is also in Excel, also you can use in this place, also you can write something to show by the chart. Chart has also many kinds, many steps. You can use the chart. Smart art also like some shapes for guiding, for leading to some things. The smart arts using for explanation of some things. Some areas use smart arts. As well, screenshot, we can check the screenshot from any place you want to take the screenshot easily. Maybe I want to take this place screenshot. This is screenshot. If you want to move rough text square, it will be moved. For writing book, some things in the word, you can take any part of screenshot or picture. Audience guidance are some things you can bring from office audience, like more as well this category audience. Online video you can bring, link, bookmark, cross reference. Also link has 4 sections. One is existing file and web page document. Place in this document, create new document, email document. I want to make new document, make by Khan. Opening, edit new document now before. If I click here, new document opening, yes. By which name? By Khan. Kahan by Khan. Sorry. Also you can click for link, control plus key shortcut for link. You can bring anything for link. Maybe database. I clicking by this database. This Khan, the database must be open. Bookmark, you can specify the place for bookmarking, like studying somewhere or going to some text. We use bookmark. Refresh as well. Give the reference number to someone. Comment, for more information to give is called comment. Header and footer. Header is the beginning of the page. If you write something, all page repeating, footer is at the end of the page. Different header, this is complete. You can header, footer, page number, bringing date and time. What you want to bring in header and footer, you can bring up the page. And these are the commands for header. Or you can go as well to footer. Footer, you can bring also some things in where in footer. In footer message prepared by, and you can bring date, time, something more you want, you can bring. Writer, you can close, you can give the space. First, different odd and even pages of a show document text, what you should. Next page, previous page. If you bring change in one page, and all page will automatically change, will be archived. If you different first page, the first page not coming. If you check this checkbox, it's odd and even page not coming the change. Header, footer, you can bring the beginning and top of the page, end up and top of the page, some things to text or picture or logo or something. After that we have page number. For any page you want to give the number, where you want middle, bottom, margin, where you want to give the page number, you can give the page number. For example, in here page 10 start. You can give what a page number. As well, text box, any place you want to bring or write something, you use the text box. Already made it, we can use by your own choice. And this is the text box. You can write something in text box and the picture, or some more places you can use what a text box. This is the text box. In any margin of the page, and you want to write something, we must use what text box. As well, in here is we have some auto text, some things you can add auto text, like dictionary property, fill. In these things we can use for the text. As all these commands used for what? For text. You can do anything, you can change. Equal RAND. In here is also draft. First letter of the paragraph must be in which graph, like newspaper. And also in here you can use bring object, text from file. In one file you want to bring another file, use this. I have one open file, I want to bring another word file from anywhere. You can open, insert, in file. Both files are occurred, like already in new file. And these are commands. This is used for design. If you want to give the design, use this one for design of text, any kind of design, making big, small. Insert. Also equation for mathematics question, you want to write a book, you want to solve the question, you can print from here. Also symbol, any kind of symbol you want to print from here, symbol, nearby symbol, any kind of symbol you want to print, you can bring here. After that we have design tab. In design tab we have this ribbon. All the use for design templates is already made. Which templates you want for the page, this template, and which color, this color, this color, or templates you can making. This one, Control plus A, set as default effect. You can make what a template. Watermark, you can bring watermark. Do not copy something you write and bring it as soon as possible, like it is called watermark. By your wish watermark you can write in here. Custom watermark, you want to bring the logo, want to text something, write something. For example, you write Miss World 2021 for student. This is, if you want to print, you can print this one with a watermark. As well, you can bring color watermark, easy. So watermark is used for watermark background. Page color, which kind of color you want to give the page border giving this page border. This is text border. This is shading, which kind of shading giving to the page border. From here you can give the any kind of things. This page border. This is a design for design. Layout, you can change the margin of page. A4 is margin, normal margin, normal A4, which wide, narrow, page, which kind of margin you want. Custom by your own wish, you can use from here. Rotate landscape as default, landscape or rotate. Size, which size I want, A4 size. Data size, not A4 size, normal size. How many columns you want in one page? 3 columns, like newspaper. It will be divided by how many columns? By 3 columns. Control plus S plus enter is changing column. From one column you can go to another column. Size, columns, page break, section break, page break, text wrapping, column break. You can go from one text to another. Go to page, go to column, go to text wrapping, go to normal page, go to continue page, A1 page, art page, and which page you want to go from here you can go. Line number, you want to give the line number to the paragraph or to the line. From here you can give the what, continue line number 1, 2, 3. Hyphenation, like the end of something. Some market used for hyphenation to end the word in one sentence coming to another sentence is called hyphenation. Index, it means space. Right, left, which place, space. Position. As we layout, coming layout. Yes, some things like picture, insert something, shape. Coming to layout, where do you want in text. Bring forward, sing backward, end up as well. This is aligning group, make how many shape in one group, like two shape, click, control click, select both of you want to make group, you can rotate. Okay. This easy step. Bring forward, bring to front, bring once at the beginning and bring forward one by one, step by step. Reference tab as well, we can talk about the reference tab. Easy. Control plus A. Yes, reference tab, making the page a little big. A reference tab as well, table of contents, you can make the table of contents from here. When you kind of table of contents you keep making, which of the words making table of contents, which words as to give the formatting, make John, like Assad. In both of these heading, give the heading from where, from home tab, like heading 1 as well heading 2. From these words now we can make table of contents, reference, mailing, table of contents. Let's say table John is page 1, Assad in page 1, and like book at the beginning the book as well we use the table of contents. Which level you want to go the table of contents, updating. If you did the table of contents you can update, insert a note, footnote, insert a note, footnote, the end of the page about something, some writings, insert end note at the end of the page, end of the note. Candidate, show note, where is the note if you want to search. These things about the reference. Insert caption, want to caption something, manage source as well, mark entry. So easy some things for marking, mark caption as well, mailing, and once you can make in many emails to somebody something. Envelope you want to making for the letters, label you want to making, start of mailing, start of selection, and this is for one mailing. For example, mail the letters, type of new list, new entry, delete the entry, customize the column, delete these things. Like name, another is add another job. For this thing you want to enter something, name John, manager, Khan, teacher, Assad, driver, Noor, teacher, Samad, engineer. This something you write it, and you have, for example, save. You have a letter and for 200 people you have one letter you want to name job. For every person make another, for every person should be make one letter, name job. This something is greeting line address, so highlight, you can bring first go, last go, you can change these things about this one. Just you want to see the start the mail merge. Merge, finish merge, print documents, individual documents for all. How many page making? First one for John, second one for Khan, I dot give space, third one for Assad, fourth one for everybody made one page. This one for mailing. Review, you can see the spelling, this dictionary, word count, you can use how many words, how many something you use. spelling and grammar, something is mistaken, you can see mistake up, like this is spell error. If something is grammar error, it's like blue color, and spelling error coming in red color. Treasure is dictionary, so you can use dictionary words everywhere. Check spelling, language, new comment, you comment some things as well. Next to blah blah comments, you can go. You can go to comments, next previous comments, you can delete the comments as well. Markup, no markup, change these things. About objects, you can accept some, it is somebody edited in some text, you can write or reject or accept something you track change occurred. You made check change for some book to send to somebody edit your book. If you come the edition coming to you, just want to reject the edition or accept the edition, it's by your choice. Blocking, restrict editing, hide link, these things. View also, you can use some things, view this kind of page you want to view, like full edit, print layout, this is printing layout, this is reading layout, this is web layout, like this kind of page you can see. Outline, like outline, no page number, no things, scalward outline. As well, can you see the page in the drop or rotating shape, vertically, horizontally. You can see the laurel, you can see the guideline, you can see the navigation point, grid lines, zoom in, zoom out, something you can see here. One page, another page, multiple page, you can hear new window, or you can see arrange windows, 2-3 windows making at the same time, arrange 4-10. You can edit one window, you can see all. Not coming the grid line, navigation point, not coming, ruler, not coming. Split, you can change, edit the page to 2 sections. Remove split, side by side, you can see 2 pages, side by side, you can see this is the split size. You can see this page as well. Also you can see rest of window position, change to the window position, you can rest of the name. Switch windows, to which window you want to go. Macro, you can add something, macro, you can see the property of all the documents, which kind of property you want to give the properties. For always open, read only, encrypted the password, give password to the document, restrict the document, restrict, like giving password to the document. John, if you open up this document all the time, want password from you. If you save this document to somewhere, then they will be, this page will be opened by what? By password. For example, control plus D, I go in here, John take one password, John. If you give wrong password, not opening. This is some things for in Word documents for beginner learners. Please watch this video, subscribe my channel, share the video, and like the channel. Thanks from you for watching. Thank you for the next videos. Subscribe and also on the bell to new video, you will be informed. Thanks a lot from watching. Thank you.